Hi everybody and welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to find great deals on PropWire. If you're looking for investment opportunities or properties at discounted prices, PropWire can be a helpful tool. In this video, I'll show you how to use it effectively. Let's begin. I have mentioned link in the description for you to try PropWire right away. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll start your search. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can enter specific criteria to find the deals you're looking for. If you know the city or area where you want to search for properties, type it into the search bar. For example, if you want deals in Atlanta, Georgia, type Atlanta and press enter. PropWire will show you all the available listings in that area. Now, let's narrow down the results. You can use filters to refine your search. Look for the filter options, usually located near the search bar or on the left side of the screen. Filters allow you to specify details like the type of property, price range, and condition. For instance, if you're looking for single-family homes priced under $200,000, adjust the filters to match those criteria. Another important filter to use is the deal type. PropWire often labels properties based on their status, like foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, or off-market deals. Select the deal type that suits your needs. For example, if you're interested in off-market properties, check that box. After applying your filters, scroll through the listings. Take your time to review the options. Each property will have a title, a brief description, and often a photo. Click on a property that catches your interest to see more details. This will open up a dedicated page for that property. On the Property Details page, you'll find key information like the property's address, price, and any notes about its condition. Some listings might also include estimated repair costs or potential resale value. Take note of these details. If the property looks promising, you can save it to your favorites by clicking the Save button. If you're serious about pursuing a deal, look for the contact information of the property owner or agent. This is usually provided on the Property Details page. Reach out to them to ask questions or arrange a viewing. Make sure to prepare a list of questions in advance, such as the property's history, any liens, or specific repair needs. Finally, don't forget to revisit the site regularly. New deals are added frequently, and checking often ensures you don't miss out on the best opportunities. You can also set up alerts on PropWire to get notified when properties that match your criteria become available. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to find and evaluate deals on PropWire efficiently. Take your time to explore the platform, apply filters, and contact property owners when you find a deal that works for you. I have mentioned link in the description for you to try PropWire right away.